A new company has formed to develop an STC to install a non-TSO'd autopilot from the experimental aircraft market into production airplanes. Paul Odom, a California electronics executive, is founder and CEO of the new company, the STC Group, and he's also an aircraft owner.
They were over Modesto, about 2 hours out from Camarillo, and my wife looked over at me and says, "When are we going to get a new autopilot?" And that's what started us down the road.
Trio Avionics has been building autopilots for experimental aircraft for more than a decade, with some 3,000 units in service.
I knew a guy that worked at Cessna. He's a retired Cessna engineer, and he told me about the Trio. He'd been flying one on a field approval in his 182H. Really liked it, liked the safety features of the autopilot, and that's what drove me to Trio. It's a very rich, fully featured autopilot. It's been widely deployed in the RV market and the experimental amateur build market. A lot of safety features, works really well.
The Trio Pro Pilot model is a full-featured 2-axis autopilot with overspeed and underspeed protection and the ability to fly about any procedure commanded by a WAAS GPS. But a WAAS GPS is not required. In fact, a handheld GPS will do. Odom has aligned with a number of engineers from around the industry and Trio itself to develop the STC in cooperation with the FAA's Chicago Aircraft Certification Office. Odom hopes to have STCs available for the Cessna 172 and 182 next spring, perhaps by Sun and Fun. The company expects the installed price to be around $10,000.